Every Squarespace site has a built-in search function that anyone can access by adding /search to the end of your domain. You can use this page as an internal tool to quickly find site content, or you can use it to create a public search page. To create a search option in your navigation, you can add the search URL as a navigation link. To add this, first go to the Pages panel and click the plus icon. Then choose the link option. In the link title field, enter a title for the link as it will display in the menu, for example, search. Then add your search page URL in the link field. Click Save to create the link. You'll now have a search page accessible from your navigation. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.